Welcome to online classes DO Nalgonda. In previous class in part 2 we had learned to prove the type of quadrilateral like parallelogram, rectangle, square and rhombus. Now in this case in exercise 7.1 the ninth question I had given the four verses of a quadrilateral. We have to clarify which type of quadrilateral were formed. As per given the points in order, if we plot in a graph, which type of quadrilateral were formed we are going to find. So, to decide the which type of quadrilateral, first we have to find the length of sides of a quadrilateral. Now assign given four sides as A 4,5, B 7,6, C 4,3 and D 1,2. You can draw quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Now children, we have to find the first side of quadrilateral ABCD. We know that what is the distance of distance formula to find the between 2 points. Distance formula square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We know the formula distance between any 2 points in a coordination plane, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Using this formula, we have to find length of AB, length of BC, length of CD, length of DA. Now I am going to find the first length of AB. AB square root of AB. Here x2 minus x1 whole square means difference of first coordinates. So you can write 7 minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 whole square equal 7 minus 4 how much? 3. 3 square plus 6 minus 5 how much? 1. 1 square and the square root of 3 square means 3 into 3 how much? 9 plus 1 square 1 into 1 how much? 1. Then 9 plus 1 10. This is the length of the square root of 10. Then go to the BC. Length of BC. Square root of BC. Difference of x coordinates 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7 whole square plus difference of y coordinates 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 whole square. Now children, 4 minus 7 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 6 minus 3 whole square root of. Now minus 3 whole square means minus 3 into minus 3, minus into minus plus 3 into 3 how much? 9 and here minus 3 is also 9. And 9 plus 9 how much? 18. And second one BC. Then CD. Length of CD. Length of CD. And what is the first x difference of x coordinates? What is the x coordinate here? 1, here 4. Square root of 1 minus 4 whole square plus difference of y coordinates 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 whole square. Now children, square root of 1 minus 4 minus 3 whole square plus 2 minus 3 minus 1 whole square. Then here minus 3 whole square, minus 3 into minus 3, how much? Plus 9, and minus 1 whole square, 1. Then 9 plus 1, how much? 10. Then this is the square root of 18 and this is the square root of 10, and third one AD. AD means here A and D, difference of first coordinates, DA or AD. Square root of 1 minus 4 or 4 minus 1 plus 2 minus 5 whole square. Here, see children, 1 minus 4 how much? Minus 3 whole square plus 2 minus 5 minus 3 whole square, and here minus 3 whole square, minus 3 into minus 3, 9, and also minus 3 whole square, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, and here also square root of 18. In this case, what do we observe? Opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal. Up to these steps, we declare the ABCD is a parallelogram, because if opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal, then it becomes a parallelogram. Clearly, we can say ABCD is a parallelogram. Then we have to check whether it is a parallelogram or a rectangle. If we have to find the length of diagonals AC and BD. If length of diagonals are equal, then it becomes a rectangle. So we have to find the length of AC, diagonal AC and diagonal BD. Length of diagonal AC. AC, difference of first coordinates, 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 whole square. Here 4 minus 4, 0. 0 square plus 3 minus 5 minus 2 whole square. What is the value of 0 square? 0 into 0? 0 plus minus 2 whole square, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. So we'll get the 4, square root of 4 value become a 2. And length of BD. Length of BD. Length of BD. So B coordinates are 7, 6, D 1, 2. Square root of difference of x coordinates 1, 7. 1, 7 whole square plus 2, 6. 2, 6 whole square. Here 1, 7 how much? Minus 6. 2, 6 how much? Minus 4. Now minus 6 whole square, minus 6 into minus 6, minus into minus plus 6, 6 are 36. 36 plus minus 4 whole square, minus into minus plus 4, 4s are 16. Now 36 plus 16 how much? 52. Clearly we can find the length of diagonals are not equal. So if opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal and diagonals are also equal, then it becomes a rectangle. But in this case, opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal, but diagonals are not equal. So it becomes a only parallelogram, but not a rectangle. So AB equal to CD and BC equal to DA and AC not equal to BD. So given points are vertices of a parallelogram. Dear children, when they are given the four vertices of a quadrilateral, to check which type of quadrilateral become, we have to find the length of four sides and length of two diagonals. If opposite sides are equal, it become a parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal, diagonals also equal, then become a rectangle. All sides are equal, then it become a rhombus. All sides are equal and diagonals also equal, it become a square. So we have to follow these instructions. Now see another example, another type of problem, depend on the distance formula. Find a point on the y-axis which is equidistant from both the points A 6, 5 and B -4, 3. Now we know the points on y-axis, the x coordinate is 0. The points on y-axis, x coordinate is 0. So let us suppose a point on y-axis P 0, y. Let us suppose we know that the points on y-axis x coordinate is the 0. Now let us suppose P 0, y. This point is equidistant from A 6, 5, B -4, 3. So what is the meaning that the distance between PB and AP, these two are equal length. Length of BP, the length of AP. The distance between P and A, the distance between P and B are equal as per given information. So my dear children, as per given, AP equal to BP. You got it? Why? This point is equidistant from A and B. So what is the AP? Now let's take the points A 6, 5 and B -4, 3. Now distance between AB. What is the formula? Distance formula is square root of, what is the answer? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Dear children, in this exercise we will get only one formula, that is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Difference of first two coordinates plus difference of second coordinates. Now as per given, AP equal to BP. What is the AP? AP means we will get here square root of difference of first two coordinates. What is the difference of first two coordinates? 6, 0 or 0 comma 6. As verbis you can take 6 comma 0 plus y minus 5. Y minus 5 whole square is equal to square root of BP. BP, the distance between P and B. So, difference of first coordinates minus 4 minus 0, minus 4 minus 0 whole square plus difference of second coordinates y minus 3 whole square. Now, clearly left side right side square root will be cancelled and we will get here 6 minus 0 6 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square equal minus 4 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. 6 square, 6 into 6, 36 plus y minus 5, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. First term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square is equal to minus 4 whole square, minus 4 into minus 4, 16 plus again formula y minus a minus b whole square, first term square minus 2 into first term of second term plus second term square. Now 36 here plus y square minus 2 5s are 10y plus 5 square, 5 into 5 25 and 16 and y square minus 2 3s are 6y and 3 3s are 9. Now children, here y square will be cancelled and remaining 36 plus 25, 36 plus 25 was 61 minus 10y equal 16 plus 9, 25 minus 6y. Now you transfer 61 right side and 6y left side, then we will get the minus 10y plus 6y equal 25 minus 61. Now here minus 10 plus 6y, we will get the minus 4y, minus 4y, and we will get here 25 minus 61, 61 minus 25, we will get here 5, 11. So 11 minus 5, 6, 5 minus 2, 3, 36. So we will get the here 36 minus 36. Minus will be cancelled, y equal to 36 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36. Now we will get here 9, y equal to 9. Here clearly we can see here what the y value is the 9. What our assumption? Suppose the point on y axis is 0 comma y. So what is the required point? So the required point equal, what is the required point? 0 comma y. What is the y value? 9. So 0 comma 9. So, very easy to solve this problem. You can ask in examination, this is the 4-mark question, and sometimes find a point on instead of y-axis you may ask the question x-axis. Then suppose a point on x-axis, y coordinate as 0, x comma 0. We have one problem in our textbook in exercise 7.1, problem number 10. Problem number 10, solve yourself, and same this method you can follow this method, you can get easily. But in this problem you given the x-axis. Then you suppose a point on x-axis, y coordinate as 0, that means x comma 0. Now see another problem in exercise 7.1, 11th question. If the distance between 2 points x comma 7 and 1 comma 15 is 10, find the value of x. Very easy, children. Using the distance formula. What is the distance formula? Distance formula is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now in this case, given the 2 points, let us suppose A x comma 7, B 1 comma 15. The distance between A and B given as per problem 10 units. So AB equal to 10. Clearly we know as per given information. Now what is the AB distance between point A and B? So what is the formula? Square root of x minus x1 whole square, that means difference of first coordinates whole square plus difference of second coordinates whole square. 7 minus 15 whole square equal to 10. Clearly we know this formula. Now x minus 1 whole square, square root of x minus 1 whole square plus 7 minus 15. How much will get? Minus 8 whole square, square root of equal to 10. Very easy, we know, children. Now squaring on both sides, that means here AB equal to 10, AB square equal will get the 100. That means squaring on both sides, we will get here squaring on both sides, we get the x minus 1 whole square plus minus 8 whole square, square root of equal 10. Squaring on both sides, we will the both sides squaring, this right side squaring and left side also squaring. And children, square root and square will be cancelled. We will get here x minus 1 whole square plus minus 8 whole square equal to 100. 10 into 10, 100. Now what is the formula? X minus 1 whole square using the a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So what is the first term here? X square minus 2 into x and a first term into second term plus second term whole square 1 square and minus 8 whole square minus 8 into minus 8 8 8s are 64 and minus into minus plus 64 equal to 100. Now x square minus 2 ones are 2 into x 2x and 1 square 1 into 1 1 and plus 64 we will get 100. Now here x square minus 2x what is the answer here? X square minus 2x and 1 plus 64 65 equal to 100. Now x square minus 2x plus 65 equal to, now transfer left side this one, we will get the minus 100 equal to 0. X square minus 22x minus 35 equal to 0. Now factorize the 35, x square minus 2x minus 35, then here we will get with splitting method 2x you can write the minus 7x plus 5x and minus 7 into 5 will get the minus 35. So first term as it is you can write and last term as it is constant as it is you can write here. Now take the common from these two terms, x is the common, then x square, if take the x is the common you will get remaining x, x is the common remaining minus 7 and take the common these two terms 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35 plus 7 plus 5 take the common here 5 into x, x is the remaining here 5 sevens are 35 7 equal to 0. Then x minus 7 will be take the common remaining here x here plus 5 equal to 0. Now x minus 7 equal to 0 or x plus 5 equal to 0. Now x equal to, if you transfer minus 7 right side become a plus 7 and here if you transfer plus 5 right side become a minus 5, x equal to minus 5. So value of x is 7 or minus 5. Very easily you can do this problem. Same this method, complete the exercise 7.1 12th problem. Find the value of y for which the distance between the points p 2 comma minus 3 and q 10 comma y is this 10 units. Now another type of problem depend on the distance formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is given? Find the radius of the circle whose center is 3 comma 2 and passes through minus 5 comma 6. Now take circle and this is the center of the circle. Let us suppose is the P given as 3 comma 2 and passes through minus 5 comma 6. That means this circle passing through a point, that point is minus 5 comma 6. Let us suppose is the Q. Then this is the center of the circle and Q is a point on the circle. How to find the radius? What is the meaning of radius? The radius, the distance between center of the circle, a point on a circle is become a radius. So the distance between center of the circle, a point on the circle, is become a radius. So to find the radius, we have to find the distance between center of the circle 3, 2 and a point on a circle -5, 6. We can get radius. Okay, do yourself, try, you can get easily. Thank you for watching my video.